Joining community programs can provide a wealth of benefits, including opportunities to learn new skills, network with peers and experts, and gain real-world experience. These programs often offer access to exclusive resources, training and mentorship, as well as the chance to collaborate on projects and contribute to open source initiatives. In addition, participation in community programs can help build a professional reputation, open doors to new career opportunities, and enhance one's resume. By joining a community program, individuals can connect with like-minded individuals, stay up to date on the industry trends, and grow both personally and professionally. Welcome back everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about such community programs which can help you in your cloud or DevOps journey. Let's get started. So the first community program that we are going to discuss is AWS Community Builders program. So it is a program for developers who are passionate about AWS and building innovative solutions to share their knowledge with others. Members of the program gets access to exclusive training, mentorship, and networking opportunities, as well as early access to new AWS features and services. Community builders also have the opportunity to speak at AWS events and conferences, and also to collaborate with other developers to create open source projects and contribute to the AWS community. So to apply for AWS Community Builders program, you can just come to the AWS Community Builders site, and now if you see they are not accepting the application, the program is currently closed. However, it will reopen in July 2023. So meanwhile, what you can do is you can add your name to the whitelist. So how to do that? What are the benefits of this program? I have created a separate video on that. I personally belong to this AWS Community Builders program. So if you're interested, go check that video. I'll make sure to drop the link to that in the description box below. The next program is the AWS Ambassador Partner program. It is a program that recognizes and rewards AWS Partner Network members who demonstrate technical expertise and promote AWS services and solutions. Ambassadors receive exclusive training and resources, as well as opportunity to collaborate with AWS teams and participate in joint marketing activities. The program also provides ambassadors with access to AWS technology experts and opportunities to engage with other APN members and customers. Basically, you cannot apply for this particular program. However, if you belong or if you work for an employer who is already partnered with AWS, then you can nominate yourself speaking to your manager or your higher authority, right? Also, you can mail the Ambassador Partner Program's head so that they can check if you are eligible, and if you are eligible, you can certainly take part of this program. So the next program that we are going to discuss is AWS Heroes. Heroes is a program that honors individuals who go above and beyond to share their AWS knowledge and expertise with the community. Heroes are recognized for their contributions to AWS community, such as speaking at events, creating open source projects, and mentoring other developers. Heroes receive exclusive training resources and access to AWS teams and events, as well as opportunities to engage with other heroes and share their knowledge with a wider community. Now, if you ask me how to apply for this program, basically you cannot apply for AWS Heroes. However, if you are contributing really well by being an AWS Cloud Community Builder, or if you're an AWS Ambassador, they'll recognize AWS people will get to understand that you are contributing more towards AWS, so they will recognize you as AWS Heroes. One of our mentor who is available on YouTube, Sandeep Das, he was a community builder before, now he is AWS Hero, right? The transition is very smooth. He contributed towards community builder a lot, then he became AWS Hero. That's how the community works, right? So if you're interested, start contributing towards it. Maybe in the future you can be an AWS Hero, right? So who knows? The Next program that we are discussing is Microsoft Learn Student Ambassadors program. So as the name itself says, it is more focused towards students, and it is a program that empowers students to share their technical knowledge and passion for technology with other peers and communities. Student ambassadors receive training and support from Microsoft, as well as access to resources and opportunities to develop their skills and build their network. Ambassadors also have the opportunity to organize events, lead workshops, and create content to inspire and educate others. So if you ask me how to apply for Microsoft Learn Student Ambassadors, you can visit this website called studentambassadors.microsoft.com, and here if you see there is a button called Apply Now. It is as simple as that. You can just click on that and you will be asked to sign in with your Microsoft mail ID. You can do that, and later on it will ask you for some personal details, and it will also ask you to prove that you are capable enough to share the knowledge. Basically, you will have to provide a video on you explaining a complex technology to a newbie, right? So those kind of questions are there. I highly recommend you to visit this site. And I tried to apply to this program a lot of time, but I got rejected just because I did not have my university email address. Basically, if you have your college providing your university email address, that will be a good chance for you to be in this program. If you don't, then it will be a hard time for you. Just try it out, right? So let's discuss about another program which is very important, is Google Developer Student Clubs. So Google Developer Student Clubs is a program that empowers students to develop their technical skills and build solutions for local problems in collaboration with peers. Clubs receive training, mentorship, and resources from Google, as well as opportunities to attend events and connect with other clubs around the world, right? So students in this program can also have the opportunity to build real-world projects and gain experience working on software development teams. If you ask me how is it related to cloud, if you become a Google Developer Student Club lead, you can also be a part. You can open another branch of it called cloud team or something like that. So you can lead a cloud team as well, cloud expertise team. So you can also have multiple tracks like Android app development, web development, blockchain, and you can also have a separate track for cloud too, right? So in my college, I used to lead the cloud team. So I'm suggesting this. Apply for this opportunity and you will get to learn a lot of things and cool swags. The next opportunity that we are going to discuss is CNCF Ambassador Program. CNCF Ambassador is a program that recognizes individuals who are passionate about cloud native technologies and share their expertise with the community. Ambassadors receive training, resources, and opportunities to engage with CNCF teams and other ambassadors as well. So you'll also get to access exclusive events and conferences. Ambassadors also contribute to open source projects and create content to help other developers learn and use cloud native technologies. So to apply for this, you can visit CNCF, that is Cloud Native Computing Foundation. Sorry for that. So here is the website, and here if you see, they have given all the requirements, all the responsibilities, and all those things, right? So if you want to join, you can visit this site. So if you see here, we have some important dates. Watch out for this date, July 2023. Even I'm going to apply for this particular season. So you can apply in July 2023. So 3 months more we need to wait. So if you're interested, you can just have a look at the frequently asked questions and you can just apply for this program as well. So once the application is live, you will be seeing a button here, apply now, and you just need to apply, right? So that is the next that is about CNCF. The next program that we are talking about is Docker Captains. A Docker Captain is a program that recognizes leaders in Docker community who are passionate about sharing their knowledge and experience with others. So if you want, you can take a look at here. So if you want to be a part of this Docker Captain, you have to just email this particular email address saying that you have so contributed so and so things and you would be interested in participating or becoming a Docker Captain. That's all. Right, so there is no lengthy application or anything. It is purely dependent on the email that you write to this particular address, right? So just apply for this Docker Captains as well, so you might get a chance to be in this program as well. I'm applying in the next season, right? So the next community that we are going to discuss is HashiCorp Ambassadors. This is the recent one, so I also missed to apply for this program. So let us see what is HashiCorp Ambassador. So this is a program that recognizes individuals who are experts in HashiCorp technologies and who share their knowledge in the community. So this is the site that I'm talking about, hashicorp.com/blog. And here, if you see here, we have an application that is already down. So there was a call for application which completed in January 2023, but we missed. Next time we should not do this, right? So let's all apply for this program and also be a part of this, right? So what do you say? Let me know in the comment section, which community are you trying to be a part of, or also let me know which you are already part of. Let's say I'm part of Community Builders. I'm gonna say that I'm a part of AWS Community Builders. Just comment down, right? The next one, which is recently open, that is AWS Cloud Club. So it is a program designed to help students learn and develop skills related to AWS cloud computing through a series of workshops and events. It is just like your Google Developer Students Club. So this is specifically towards cloud. So AWS has opened this one. You can just visit this site, aws.amazon.com/developers/community/students, right? So if you are interested, you can just fill out the form here, and if you see, these are all the people that are already part of this event. And yeah, that's it. You can be a part of this as well if you're a college student, right? So I hope you're getting some insights by watching this video. If you're watching till now, just hit the like button so that it will help me a lot and it motivates me a lot, trust me, right? So that's all I had to discuss in this video. If you have liked this video, please consider subscribing and share it among your friends. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.